guys, it's my life, and so this video is for you guys about me and what I do from a day-to-day basis. I wake up and I get usually woken up by having my cat put on me. Yeah, that's him right there. Meow. So that happens, and then I go to the bathroom. Then sorry, I get an outfit on. Shoes. Oh my gosh, shoes. And then I grab my backpack, shove my lunchbox in it, and head out the door for school. When I get home, I run through the door, set my backpack down, and go to the bathroom. I then get out my homework, whatever I might have. Whoa, I shouldn't do that. And I do my homework, and then, well, I usually, depending on how much time is left, I talk to my friend on the webcam. I don't think he'll answer if I call right now. And text. Using a phone. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, let's take it to what I do right about now. He's so funny. While eating some type of food, in this case, it's Red Spoons! They're so delicious. Drinking some type of drink, in this case it's root beer. Or maybe I'm working on a wallet. And if it were to be this case, it would be a polka dotted one. My desk is really messy. That's really my life, guys. It's very boring and uneventful. But, yeah. When I'm not, well, crud. When I'm not doing what I am now, I just don't have a life, guys. Now, how are we going to end this? It's my life. It's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. Bye, guys. See you in a week from now.